Hey there, welcome back. So this video is not about me, it's about this really nice rug that you see here. This is a 3-foot by 10-foot runner, and I want to say this design on Amazon comes in maybe like 12 different sizes. So this is our kitchen at the cabin. We had an old runner here that is filthy, and my wife went online to see what she could find. I think she did a really good job here. We've got stainless or like a black stainless set of appliances, and it really just kind of brings everything together. So we got it yesterday. I laid it out. It's laying pretty flat. There's a little crease here and here. Came in a pretty good sized box, so it wasn't wound real tight. It was kind of loosely folded, but it had to be folded more narrowly. The instructions say that it's going to loosen up within a week, or you can put heavy things on it. I thought about maybe putting it out on the front porch with the sunlight, might help relax the fibers. But it's a low pile. It doesn't slide at all. So it's got a backing to keep it from sliding. And it is machine washable. So you're not supposed to dry it or iron it, but you can throw it in the wash if you need to. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Yeah, I think you should check it out.